The software controlling most factories on Earth is written in a language that looks like an electrical drawing from 1970. And that is exactly why it won. This is ladder logic. Open a PLC program and you see rungs on a ladder. 2 vertical power rails, horizontal rungs between them, symbols scattered along each rung. Each rung is one rule. On the left, contacts, the conditions. On the right, a coil, the action. If the conditions along the rung are true, power flows across and the coil energizes. A normally open contact means this is true when the input is on. A normally closed contact is the inverse, true when the input is off. The sneaky one that trips up every beginner. So a real rung reads like a sentence. If the start button is pressed, and the emergency stop is healthy, and the tank is not full, run the pump. The famous trick is the seal in. The motor coil feeds one of its own contacts, so once started, it holds itself on after the button is released. Every motor circuit in the world has one. Why does this beat modern code? Because in 1969, it replaced physical relay panels, and it was drawn to look exactly like the relay diagrams electricians already read. That is still the superpower today. At 2 a.m., a plant electrician can open the live program, watch power flow, highlight across the rungs in real time, and find the stuck sensor. Without being a programmer, the PLC scans the whole ladder top to bottom in milliseconds, over and over, forever. Timers, counters, and comparisons slot into rungs the same way contacts do. Ladder handles the machine, and everything above it is the supervisory layer. Merobix engineers write and commission ladder for Allen Bradley and Siemens, then stream every result to cloud dashboards. 60 years old and still running the world. Not bad for a language that looks like a ladder. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. We publish practical SCADA and oil and gas automation explainers every week. No fluff.